What's going on, everybody? This is Yokai vs. Minecraft LOL here with my friend Ray.
Sup?
Tell them what video we're gonna make.
I'm gonna make a video about my puppy.
Yeah, his new dog. Meet Maxie. Say hi. Hey. Yeah. Ray's dad got Maxie like about four days ago, and this is her new home, which we're on right now. Yeah. Yeah. So one more thing. I just want to say sorry that I haven't been recording. It's because I've been busy like all the time, but I'm gonna try to record for you guys, cause I haven't been recording lately, so sorry about that. Alright, so what do we got the things for Maxie? And here's her like that, like the
diaper?
Yeah, diaper, yeah.
So you could do potty on?
Yeah. Oh, and her chew toy. Right there. And what happened?
Oh, he's just tickling my feet.
Oh. All right, and here's some here's some
milk.
Yeah, some milk and dog
Don't
food.
worry, it's puppy milk. It's not the milk that we drink.
And her bed. And Ray is so kind to his new dog. He decided maybe he should let her borrow his blanket. Yeah. Oh, and here's another chew toy, which it used to be Ray's.
I didn't even play with it, so I just gave. Wait, where's Maxie? Oh, Maxie!
Where's she? Oh, she's over here.
Here, let me hold the cam.
Alright.
Wait, actually.
Alright. Yeah, so what are we gonna do with her?
We're just gonna. You mean, what are we?
Yeah, what are we going to do? Yeah, did your dad bought her from a pet store?
No. A lady gave it to us. We were gonna buy a 1 month-year-old white and brown chihuahua, but they already sold it.
Yeah, so your dad just bought the chihuahua with the black and brown.
Oh, you see.
Yeah. Oh, and one last thing. So I just want to let you guys know, since we're on summer vacation, I'm gonna be recording for you. We're gonna be recording all summer, so I hope you guys are happy for that. She's just playing with her chew toys.
Should we end this video now?
I'm actually let's record a little more.
About what?
Wait, just give me that. All right.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Say hi. Say hi, please. Please.
Here, let me try.
All right.
Say hi. Alright, we gotta end this video now.
Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna end up this video here. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. So as I always say, thanks for watching YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.